a subsidiary of KTDA Holdings that looks after the welfare of our farmers, focusing on social impact, climate change, and sustainable business. We are happy to be here today because we have come to hand over a sanitation and hygiene project that we've partnered with one of our buyers, Amati, who have been a long-standing partner and a client to KTDA. As an organization, our vision is to ensure that we are improving the lives of our farmers and that we are giving them a better return for the business that they do in tea. And today is just a testament of the investments that we want to make in our tea value chain. And specifically today, we have come to one of our sanitation and hygiene project where we donated tanks and a sanitation block for the students, because we know the importance of hygiene and water in terms of an enabling environment so that the student can study. And for us, that's an area that we continue investing in beyond the programs that we have around education, health, economic empowerment, and environmental sustainability. This year alone, we are going to spend almost 300 million on various projects. That's about $3 million. Yeah, in all those areas, because we take a number of students to school, and then we get involved in such activities such water, sanitation, and hygiene. We also take care of our environment through tree growing. We also invest a little bit in infrastructure, such kind of infrastructure project that we have. And also, the health of our farmers is also very critical. That's why we invest in bringing medical services closer to our farmers.
My name is Abraham Afshar. I'm a managing director of Amati UK. It's my first time I've been to this area, Gamba. The company, we buy tea from KTDA for years, and I'm quite impressed with the amount of work they do behind the scene. We always see the cup of tea they give, which is very nice, but behind the scenes is a lot of farmers, hard work and dedication, and an ecosystem which involves children, parents, and I suppose grandparents, and it's nice to come to this school, which we had a small token of charity of the water. And in this day and age, water after oxygen is really essential for the whole ecosystem of the human and the plants. So in this case, the water tank in the factory, in a school, has helped to improve the sanitation and availability of water, especially during the dry period. The more I look at the tea industry, the more I see they could have a sustainable ecosystem. That means from farmers to the schools, to the hospital, doctors, everything. But what is missing is a bit more price increase on the tea.
So, yes, Kamade Bugwa, Principal, Kaga High School. I want to say that we are very delighted as an institution to have the visitors in our compound. I met these people about 1.5 years ago when they visited the school. They were on a tour in the farms just to see where the farmers are growing tea, and they happened to get into our school because we are also farmers. We have about 2 acres of tea bushes, so, and we also sell our tea to Kaba. So when they came here, they visited us. I had an interaction with them, and they asked me what they can do to the institution. That is the Hamad team, because they came in together with the people from the KTDA Kaba. I identified a project, and I said that we have a challenge with the water storage, and I presented that request to them, whereby I said that we would wish that they assist us with water tanks. And immediately after that, they left. I had a communication from Kaba Tea Factory that they accepted our proposal, and they were ready to donate tanks to us. Little did I know that beside the tanks, they will put the washing points within the school, and also give us some gadget for soaps and other detergents which the students will be using as they do the washing of their hands. Fit the school in the sense that this is partly boarding and partly day school. And we have students who are residing within the school. We had a challenge with water storage, but now with the 20,000 water tanks, because one is 5, the other one is 5, the other one is 10, with the 20 liters water tank, we have sufficient water within the school, which the students are going to use for taking, drinking, and also for bathing for those that are residing within the school compound.